Your journey into the world of great stories begins now. Welcome to the English Audiobook Library.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the English Audiobook Library, the place where your ears get a serious English workout without going to the gym.
Yes, and no gym membership required. I'm Molika, and I'm here with the one and only Smith. How are you today, Smith?
I'm doing fantastic, Molika. I had my coffee, I found a parking spot on the first try. Today is basically a miracle.
Wow, a parking spot on the first try? That almost never happens. You should buy a lottery ticket today.
Maybe I will. So everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. Whether you're listening on your morning commute, doing the dishes, or pretending to work,
We are not judging. Whatever gets you here, we're happy you're listening. And today we have a very interesting and very scary question to talk about.
very scary.
What would happen if your smartphone disappeared for one whole week?
Just let that sink in. 7 days, no phone, no scrolling, no Instagram, no TikTok, no Google Maps, nothing.
I feel a little anxious just saying that out loud. Is that normal?
Totally normal. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today, with some laughs along the way, of course. And for our listeners who are learning English, we'll be using lots of natural, everyday expressions throughout the conversation. So grab a notebook if you want, or just enjoy the ride.
Let's go.
Okay, Molika, let's paint a picture. It's Monday morning. You wake up, you reach for your phone,
As I do every single morning, let's be honest.
right? And it's not there. It's just gone. What is your very first thought?
Panic. Pure panic. I think I'd just lie there staring at the ceiling. Like, is this real life? What year is it? Am I in a historical drama?
A historical drama. That is a great way to put it. Because honestly, how do we even know what time it is without our phones?
That's a great point. My phone is my alarm clock. It's my watch. Without it, I have absolutely no idea when to wake up.
I mean, there are other clocks, like actual clocks on the wall, old school clocks.
Oh, I have one, but I've never actually looked at it. It's just decoration.
Decoration. Molika, it's a clock. It has a purpose.
Well, not in my house, it doesn't.
Okay, so no alarm. You somehow wake up naturally. What's next? Because I know what I'd want to do. I'd want to check the weather.
Oh, yes, automatically. Every morning I check the weather before I even get out of bed. Because what if it's raining? What if I need a jacket?
And without the phone, what do?
I guess open a window?
Open a window, like a pioneer.
Exactly. Like a pioneer woman in the 1800s, just looking outside, using my own two eyes, reading the sky.
The clouds look a little gray. Maybe I'll bring a coat. Revolutionary stuff.
Cutting-edge technology called looking outside.
What about the news? I check the news every morning on my phone, just to see what's happening in the world.
Honestly, without a phone, I think I'd be completely fine without the news for a week. Actually, that might be a benefit.
Okay, fair point. Maybe ignorance is bliss.
Ignorance is bliss. Listeners, that's our first English expression today. It means sometimes it's better not to know things because not knowing keeps you happy and peaceful. Ignorance is bliss.
Like not knowing what people are arguing about online today.
Exactly. Sometimes the less you know, the happier you are.
Okay, here's the part I'm most scared about. Getting around without Google Maps.
Oh, this is a big one because I have absolutely no sense of direction without maps. Like zero.
Really? Zero?
Smith, I once got lost going from my apartment to the supermarket, which is one street away.
How is that even possible?
I don't know. I turned left when I should have turned right. And then I kept walking because I thought it'll come up eventually. It did not come up eventually.
So without Google Maps, your grocery run becomes a survival situation.
Completely. But okay, seriously, what did people actually do before GPS? Like, how did anyone get anywhere?
Paper maps. You'd fold them up, open them in the car, and then argue with whoever was in the passenger seat about which way to turn.
Huh, I've heard stories like that. My parents used to fight every single road trip about the map.
You're holding it upside down. No, I'm not. Classic road trip content.
And what about asking strangers for directions? Can you even imagine walking up to someone and saying, "Excuse me, how do I get to the mall?"
Oh, that is a lost art. People used to do that all the time. Now, if someone walks up and asks me for directions, I'm like, can't you just use your phone?
And now we're imagining a world with no phone. So we'd have to talk to strangers, make eye contact, have a real human interaction.
The horror.
I'm kidding. That's actually kind of nice. We've lost that a little bit, haven't we? Just talking to people around us.
We really have. And a lost art, that's today's second expression, listeners, something people used to do well, but almost nobody does anymore, like reading paper maps or asking strangers for directions,
Or writing handwritten letters.
or memorizing phone numbers. Speaking of which, Molika, could you call anyone right now without your contact list?
I know my mom's number, and that is it. That is my complete list.
Same. I know my parents' number and my own number. And my own number is only useful if someone else is calling me.
We are so helpless. We've completely outsourced our memories to our phones.
Outsourced our memories. That's a really interesting way to think about it. All right, this might be the biggest one for a lot of people. No social media. No Instagram, no TikTok, nothing. For one whole week.
I think some people would genuinely cry, like actual tears.
Including you?
I mean, maybe. Not full crying, but a little emotional, yes.
What would you miss the most?
Honestly, not even posting. I think I'd miss the scrolling. That mindless scroll before bed where your brain just turns off and you watch videos of cats and cooking and random strangers doing funny things.
The scroll. Yes. There's something almost meditative about it.
It's like a screen lullaby. It just puts you to sleep.
It really does. But here's the thing, and this might be controversial. I actually think 1 week without social media would be genuinely good for most people.
Ooh, controversial, Smith. Explain yourself.
Think about it. Without social media, you'd suddenly have all this free time. What would you fill it with?
Sleeping, reading, actually talking to the people I live with?
Exactly. When's the last time you just sat with someone and had a full conversation? No phones, no screens, just talking.
Honestly, Christmas dinner. And even then, my cousin was showing me memes under the table.
Under the table. We can't even survive Christmas dinner without memes.
They were very funny memes, to be fair.
I'm sure they were. But the point is, we've become so used to having entertainment every second that we struggle to just be present, to actually be in the moment.
Be present. Great phrase, listeners. It means focusing on what's happening right now, around you, instead of being distracted by your phone.
And there's a connected phrase, living in the moment, fully enjoying what's happening without needing to film it or post it online.
That one really hits me. Sometimes I've caught myself at a beautiful place thinking, I need to get a photo for Instagram, before I even just look at the view and enjoy it.
The photo becomes more important than the actual experience. That's a bit backwards, isn't it?
It really is. And I think that's why some people choose to do a digital detox, going offline on purpose for a few days.
Digital detox, our fourth expression. A detox means removing something unhealthy from your life. So, a digital detox means deliberately stepping away from screens to refresh and recharge your mind.
I've always wanted to try it. But then I think, what if I miss something important while I'm away?
Like what? What's the worst realistic thing that could happen in 1 week?
Someone could get engaged, someone could have a baby, there could be drama.
And you'd hear about all of it when you came back.
That's true. It'd all be waiting for me, like a pile of digital homework.
A pile of digital homework. I love that. Okay, so we've talked about everything we'd miss, but let's flip it. What would actually be better without a phone for a week?
Ooh, I like this. I'll start. Sleep. I think I would sleep so much better.
Because?
Because I wouldn't be scrolling until midnight and then wonder why I'm exhausted the next day. I'd just go to bed like a normal human being.
That's actually huge. The blue light from phone screens tells your brain to stay awake. It tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. So you sleep less, feel worse, and the whole cycle just continues.
Exactly. And it's so easy to fix. Just put the phone down an hour before bed. But we never do it.
I'd also be way more productive at work. When my phone is on my desk, I literally cannot stop picking it up every few minutes.
Every few minutes? Smith, that's optimistic. Try every 90 seconds.
Okay, fine, fair. But without the phone, you'd actually have to focus, and you might discover you can do more in less time.
There's actually a concept called deep work. That's our fifth expression today. It means focusing completely and deeply on one task for a long period, with no interruptions. People who practice deep work say they get dramatically more done.
And smartphones are basically interruption machines. Every notification is a little interruption, and every interruption breaks your focus, and it takes real time to get that focus back.
I also think we'd have richer conversations with friends, with family, because when someone keeps looking at their phone while you're talking to them, it just doesn't feel great.
It feels like you're not interesting enough for their full attention. Even when people do it without really thinking, it still stings a little.
Including us, we do it too.
We definitely do. But a week without phones? Every conversation would be fully engaged, real eye contact, real listening, real connection.
We might actually remember what people told us instead of half listening while staring at a screen.
Wait, did you tell me that already? Because yes, I was absolutely on my phone.
Every single time. All right, we are reaching the end of today's conversation. I hope you've been laughing with us and learning along the way too.
Let's quickly go over today's 5 English expressions, because these are all ones you can use in real everyday conversation.
Number 1, ignorance is bliss. Sometimes not knowing things keeps you happier.
Number 2, a lost art. Something people used to do well, but rarely do anymore.
Number 3, be present or living in the moment, focusing on right now without distractions.
Number 4, digital detox. A deliberate break from technology to refresh and recharge your mind.
And number 5, deep work. Deep, focused concentration on one task without interruptions.
5 great expressions. Use them this week and people will be impressed.
Now, the big question we want you to answer, could you survive 1 week without your smartphone? Drop your answer in the comments. We genuinely love hearing from you.
And if you're enjoying this, please hit the like button and subscribe to the English Audiobook Library. It really helps us grow and reach more learners around the world.
We put out new conversations every week. Real English, real humor, real practice. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
It means everything to us. Keep listening, keep practicing, and remember, every episode you finish is real progress.
You are doing better than you think. We believe in you. Until next time,
Keep learning, keep smiling.
and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.